Good morning. I'm storm track meteorologist Evan B. Dron. As you take a look right now with our Junction City camera, you see the roadway is still just a little bit wet, but also our overcast skies. And a lot of us, almost all of us across northeastern Kansas are dealing with the overcast skies. Similar look with our Emporia camera. You still see the low-hanging clouds along the horizon as you go throughout the early part of your morning today. Taking a look at the rainfall we received yesterday, many of us received rainfall amounts closer to maybe a quarter to half an inch, but then as you go further and further towards the south, closer towards Emporia and Wichita, rainfall amounts were nearing 1 inch of rainfall. So many of us got much more rainfall yesterday. So some of us were closer to maybe an inch and a half, and other areas were closer to 2 inches of rainfall over the past few days. And we do have more rainfall on the way. As they look right now, you can see our area of low pressure sliding off towards the east, and we have our next trough of low pressure, and that's going to slide east as well, giving us another round of showers for our Monday night all throughout our Tuesday. But right now, taking a closer look here in northeastern Kansas, a few areas of lighter drizzle still across the area, but the majority of the weather right now is just overcast skies all across the area, with thicker clouds beginning to stream in from the south and the east. And as you take a look at temperatures across the state for this morning, many of us are in the lower to middle 50s, a little bit more cooler air as you go further towards the western portion of the state to the eastern portion of Colorado. But for us here in northeastern Kansas, many of us in the lower to middle 50s. It feels a little bit cooler now. You know, it's 52 degrees in Emporia, 51 in Burlington, and 52 in Hiawatha and Marysville, as well as Concordia. As for us here in Topeka, temperatures in the lower to middle 50s, dew points in the middle to upper 40s, so just a little bit of a humid feel to the air, but we're still hanging on to a lot of the drier conditions, even with all the rainfall we have received. And then also our wind out of the east still around 5 to 10 miles per hour. Many of us are feeling just a little bit of that breeze out of the east today. And temperature is not warming up all too much, only to the middle to upper 50s, as we're still dealing with a lot of those scattered showers. And then as you go throughout the night tonight, temperature is now into the middle to upper 40s, so a much more cooler night tonight than as compared to the past few mornings. And then as you begin the new work week, temperatures now in the upper 50s to lower 60s, so just a few degrees warmer than the past few days. And take a look with our future track again. Mainly cloudy skies all throughout the day today. There is a slight chance for a few lighter showers, but the majority of the weather today will be just overcast, cloudy skies. And as we continue to go throughout the day, we're still dealing with those cloudy skies as we head into your Monday. And it won't be until later on Monday. We have a cold front swing through, giving us another round of showers all across northeastern Kansas for when we're waking up early on Tuesday morning. And we're still dealing with the showers all throughout your morning on Tuesday, even into the afternoon and evening time. So Tuesday, we're going to get much more rainfall, as we have already seen a lot of rainfall over the past few days. And taking a look at the rainfall amounts, a few of us could be seeing rainfall amounts closer to half an inch to 1 inch. And then the rest of us, especially further into central Kansas, maybe more closer to a quarter of an inch to half an inch of rain. And so taking a look with your extended forecasting and temperatures today in the middle to upper 50s. Cold front swings through Monday, dropping temperatures on Tuesday now into the middle to upper 50s. Much more colder day on Wednesday. Daytime highs in the lower 50s. And then as we end out the last week of October, temperatures in the upper 50s for Halloween. And then starting the first weekend of November, temperatures in the lower 60s with mostly sunny skies.